In this video, I'm going to show you how to create SimilarWeb account. So on the upper right corner, if you still don't have yet an account, you can click the Get Started button. Or if you have already an account, you can just proceed to the login and skip this tutorial. Now let's proceed to the Get Started button. And as you can see in here, in order to create an account, you'll need a work email. So we have a two options in order to sign in to SimilarWeb. We can sign up using our existing Google account in here. So just simply connect it with your Google account, and then it will redirect you to the page where you need to input your business details in here. So wait for it to load up. So once it's finished, it will welcome you in here, and then click the Get Started button. And then in here, they will ask you, how do you plan on using SimilarWeb? So it's up to you. It's either for work, personal, or school. So in this case, I'm going to choose the personal. And then for the job title, you can choose or input your job title. So after that, click the next button, and then it will ask you some few questions like this, and then proceed to the next. And then they will ask you for your company website also. So make sure you have a prepared website, then click next. And then after that, they will ask you if how many people that you work at your company. Just simply click next. And after that, they will ask you also for what industry do you work in. It's up to you. So make sure you have a prepared answer for this. And then they will ask you also for your phone number. And after that, just simply click the next button. And then they will ask you another for your work email. And after that, they will show you some plan in order to proceed to the SimilarWeb. So as you can see in here, they offer a free trial. So just simply click the start free trial, and then after that, click next. It will show you some benefits from these SimilarWeb, and after that, you will need to complete your payment method in here. So we're not going to do that now. Assumingly we finish this procedure, this process of payment, it will redirect you to the SimilarWeb dashboard. And that's it. That's how you create an account here in SimilarWeb. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.